Man, what's good, YouTube? Y'all boy Khiii back up here with another video at Bowie State University. Torchfest continued day 8 or 7. One of the two, but y'all know what it is, man. This is the postponed, the remake day of Jouvert, whatever y'all call it. Here at Bowie State University is currently 1 p.m. on May 2nd? Friday. So y'all know it's Friday. First off, that's gonna be lit. We gonna be lit regardless. Gonna be outside, Jouvert, out in the parking lot, seeing what the vibes is. Everybody about to be outside, throwing paint, water, and some more around with each other, and just good vibes overall, man. It's gonna look like a good turnout. By the way, the promotion was going for it. Hopefully, it's not all just hype. It lives up to the hype that we've seen on the internet, and also the past years, because every year Jouvert is just a really great event where people pop out. They do it through the rain, through whatever weather, it doesn't matter. We having it going. And today is one of the most beautiful, hottest days to have it. It's currently like, I think 80 degrees or something. And 80 in Maryland is really be feeling like 90, because 70 be feeling like 80. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, it's currently like 83 degrees. I'm probably gonna ball before, because it starts in a couple hours. So I'm gonna try hooping for a little bit. Go run these errands real quick for my weekend, just get some chores done. Start my move out process, because the semester ends in 2-3 weeks. So just try to get a couple things out of my room into my old house. I'll probably be moving back in not too long during the summer, because I'll be doing a mentorship program this summer again. And yeah, I just got some Chick-fil-A breakfast, man, a tribal smoothie just to go along with it. And I'm feeling good, man. It's been a good week. Really been staying busy the whole week. Been working, getting these projects and assignments out the way. Got 2 projects I gotta work on that I gotta get knocked out within the next week, 7 days. So we gonna get it done, you feel me? Put our priorities first and also have fun while doing it, you feel me? So I'm gonna catch y'all, and y'all gonna catch me, y'all gonna see me at Jouvert today. Yo, what's good, vlog? Got the man right here, just met him at the station, you feel me? Right here with J Money. About to pop out to Jouvert. Look sweet with all the man. Feel me?
I'm banging that real bad man, real Trini bad man.
Alright, y'all, so we just got done hooping. Well, I did with one of the men from my school, then I ended up taking a trip to the metro station to drop one of my good friends off real quick. She had a family emergency she had to attend to, so you know, I had to come through and help out. I ain't even gonna speak too much on it though, because you know, that's just what I do. It's just, y'all can ask anybody, I'm that type of good-hearted person. Just look out for somebody. But besides that, we gonna have our fun today. We about to have Jouvert. And yeah, I'm picking up the man right now. We about to go parlay up there at the school. We about to have some fun, you feel me? Y'all gonna see the clips. And yeah, by the way, I won in the basketball. My man from school kept talking all that trash talk, so you know I had to let my work speak for itself, you feel me? But yeah, we ain't even gonna speak on that now. Part 2 of the hoops coming soon, real soon. And the man back home, man.
Nah, for real.
You know what I mean? About to pop out, have a great ass time.
Back active, man, you hear me? Looking sweet, about to go to this Jouvert. Gotta rep the country on the man.
For sure, for sure. Yo, what's good,
What's up, shorty?
How you?
We in there, bro.
Bro, cause I'm not a student apparently, or they shut me down for a second.
Hey. Boy, my God, good, cuz. Too dry. Take it over there.
Why they shut it down? Pop out, Jouvert 2025 spring.
I'm out getting lit with us, kid.
No music. No music. No music. Man, Jouvert concluded. How y'all feeling, man?
Man, this joint was active, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Man, these niggas told me this is a cookout, man. Show the camera, man. I'm fucked up.
Hey, who the fuck told this man this joint was a cookout, bro? Whoever did, you dead wrong.
Y'all niggas wild as shit.
It's not no cookout. This was Splatoon. I'm trying to tell you.
Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, man, we had a beautiful day here at Bowie State University. Day 8 of Torchfest continued with Jouvert, Jouvert, however you say it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see me trying, so that's all that matters. But overall, we had a good time, you know what I mean? Had to welcome the guys back home the right way with a great time. Have a great time with friends so we can reflect on this, spending time with each other while we got it. Cause you know, every day is not guaranteed, man. You never know how life could take a turn. And you never know when the last time you're gonna see your people. So I'm just glad I could be there for them. I'm glad they could be there for me to fall back on each other and we could hold each other up, you feel me? So as of right now, I just got off desk duty for the night, 8:30 to midnight. About to just take a little walk, get some steps in before I call it a night. And yeah, just clear my thoughts for real. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. If y'all enjoy watching, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We got way more content coming this summer too, as spring semester is soon coming to a close. I'm gonna see y'all at the top.